Guys, so this is the new Lenovo X1 Extreme, and you can see how beautiful this is. This is the 4K display on this, and this is a new 9th generation Intel i7 processor. You can see that's the H generation, that's 8 core processors, and this is its cousin, the X1 Yoga 4th generation. That's the 10th generation processor, but that's a U processor, and that has 4 cores. But yes, the X1 Extreme has 8 cores. Now this is a 4K display, and it is touch and pen on the new display. This is non-touch, but you can get it with pen and touch.
The OLED panel, 4K, UHD OLED panel with touch and pen support.
Yes, on the OLED version. Yes. The back of it is actually carbon fiber rather than just a paint texture, and that's new on the new Generation 2 X1 Extreme. Now, what I will say is this is an NVIDIA GeForce 1650, as you can see right here on the specs, and this has a hybrid HD camera. One thing I absolutely love about this is the fact that it's actually VR ready. Now, I want to make sure that you know this is certified VR ready by NVIDIA itself, unlike some other devices. Unlike its predecessor, which was VR ready, but might not have actually been certified so by NVIDIA, this one actually is, which means all those new devices that are coming out, all those new VR devices, will actually work perfectly. So, there you go. That is absolutely beautiful. It's a nice workstation. Let me know what you think in the comments below about the new ThinkPad X1 Extreme. I like it a lot, and I've got to say, given the fact that this is pen and touch enabled, if you're a MacBook Pro user, definitely think about changing up for one of these very, very powerful devices.